In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tasks in ClickUp using N8n so you can automate your workflow and save time. Start by opening ClickUp and selecting the project where you want your tasks to be created. This step is important because automation needs a clear destination for your tasks. Now switch over to N8n and create a new workflow. Begin by adding a trigger node. This could be anything like a webhook, a schedule, or data coming from another app depending on your use case. Next, add a ClickUp node. This is where the automation connects directly to your ClickUp workspace. If it's your first time, you'll need to connect your ClickUp account using your API token. Once connected, set the operation to create task. Then choose the workspace, space, folder, and list where you want the task to be created. Now map out your task details. Enter the task name and, if needed, add a description, assignee, and due date. You can also map dynamic data from your trigger, which is what makes automation powerful. After setting everything up, run the workflow once to test it. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see a new task automatically created inside ClickUp. Once confirmed, activate your workflow so it runs automatically whenever your trigger is executed. And that's it. You've successfully automated task creation in ClickUp using N8n.